Do you want to save thousands of euros in commissions when selling your Spanish property? We are Property Sales Menor, and our estate agency has the lowest commission rates in the Murcia and South Costa Blanca regions. We charge only 950 euros to sell your property in Murcia or the South Costa Blanca in Spain. Sell your home without paying the usual 3% to 6% commission. Our estate agency charges a fixed fee of just 950 euros. Save thousands in fees, and get a fully professional service including marketing, negotiation, and complete management of your sale. There are no hidden costs, and you receive a full estate agency service with no sale, no fee. We have 20 years experience in the area, and are totally transparent. You can use any solicitor you like. Your property will get both local and international marketing, and because we are British, there are no language problems. Call or WhatsApp today on 0034 8806 61. Mrs. G. Evans of Los Alcázares said this: "We employed 2 agents to sell our property. One had the standard 5% commission rate, and the other Property Sales Menor. We were obviously delighted that Property Sales Menor were the ones who made the sale, and they charged just 950 euros plus IVA as promised. As our property sold for 220,000 euros, we saved a massive 10,000 euros on commission charges. A wonderful service and massive savings. Thank you." Please get more information by clicking on the website link in the description below, and save thousands on your house sale. Please also remember to like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to provide the best estate agency services in the Murcia and South Costa Blanca regions. Thank you.